And that's on my mother. I will be damned if I stay with the same man where they fuck me over time and time again until I am one of the persons them on social media saying I am bringing awareness to AIDS. This is how I got it. From the same man that I've been with for 10 years. Fuck no. No. And nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with you, no? You not ugly. Me see people who walk so have the love of them life. Me see people in love. Me see some breed of people me see in some happy relationship. Some couldn't think love done pound no. You're afraid to start over? Don't be. Don't be afraid to start over. Who to tell? You might find better out there, you might find worse. But at least you not stand for the fuckery. At least you not stand for the bullshit. At least you not stand for the abuse and the heartache. You started over and I'm better now. Thank you. I can attest to that too. Sometimes the best journeys of our lives haven't begun yet. Yeah, I have to do a talk show over here. Listen, my grandmother, she has taught me so much, and my grandmother is exactly what I don't want to be. My grandmother never worked a day in her life. The money that my grandfather used to give her, she saved it. She saved everything because she didn't go anywhere. She didn't do anything. And one day my grandfather left her for a woman, a white woman. And he divorced her. Anyways, things didn't work out with my grandfather and the woman, and he came back to my grandmother. But by the time he came back to my grandmother bought a 5-bedroom, 4-bedroom house with the money she saved from him. That's the house I grew up in. And he wondered how she did it. Nevertheless, she do it. She take him back. Because my grandmother is the type of person wanna believe in a step this and a step that. She not believe in the stepchildren and the stepfather and the stepmother. But fuck that. I believe in it. I believe in it so much. So I'm not going to make that mistake. I will take an ex-man that's suited for my children. Because you can have two good fathers, you know, sometimes the stepfather them are gold. Some of them are diamond, some of them are amazing. So yeah, my girls have two wonderful fathers. They have the father that loves them so much, and they have the stepdad that loves them. But nevertheless, my grandmother said to me one day that she didn't do anything with her life. She didn't enjoy herself. Her whole life was taking care of her children and her grandchildren. That's not what I want to say. That should never be your life. You should never, as I told you the other day, forget who you are. Because now she regrets not living her life. And then you know what happens to people that don't live their life? When their children gets older, they try to live their life through their children. They try to tell their children what to do. And then your child builds up resentment because that's not what they want to do. You try to live your life through your children, and your children has your own life. Yes, she's still alive. And your children have their own life to live. So this is what I suggest you do. Live your own life. Your kids will grow up and live theirs. No, my grandmother is not on TikTok. My grandmother is how much years old? But I just giving you an example on how life can go. Yeah. You sound like you get real hurt still. I've gotten hurt so many times. So many times. Why you think I talk to you guys so much? So that you guys don't get the hurt that I have gotten. I can only hope you take my advice and don't go through some of the things that I have been through. Because if I had someone to tell me a lot of things, then things would have been different. I know what I'm saying. Knowledge teaches wisdom. And above all else, experience teaches knowledge. But I can't tell you what though. I have learned so much and I'm still learning. But I know that all of us have a value. And until we find that value, will we truly be happy? Probably not. I know she speaks. Yeah, I tend to speak calmly because I want everybody to it's the bag of rah and the shouting. Nobody has time to listen to that. I speak so you guys can listen and understand. There's no need to shout at you guys. Exactly. Oh my God. So sometimes when you're out there and you see people, let me tell you what I truly hate. When I see somebody out there and they come and they talk about the problem and them say, for example, them say, them man or them baby father I beat them. Yes, Tweety, please. Them man and them baby father beat them. Yes, I do, Tropical. And then when them, you know, you try to help them and you pick up for them and you whatever. Then they come back again when them and the man good again and say, una go like me one get lick. It will allow no man a lick out to no blood. Listen. Guys, let me explain something to you now. Some people in the comments might have go through the same thing, yes. But not because they don't want you to go through the same thing. So sometimes, yes, man a lick out them clot, but them not want to see man lick out your clot. Them want better for themselves. Them a try to get out of the situation, so them want to see you get out of it. So sometimes, instead of bringing everybody into the drama, saying, oh, man I do no worse, man, it's not about what man is doing to us. That's not the topic. It's about what you bring to us. It's about what you showing that a man is doing to you. Not because it happened to us means that I would want it to happen to you. Yes, sure. I go through them something there already, but I don't want to see you go through it. But if only people would learn to come down off of them high horse and just try to understand. Your friend that talk because of the same thing. You have some friend. Listen, you have some friend. You try to help them. You know something about them man. You try to help them. They say you're bad mind. They say you want the man. They say you want them and the man to leave. Some friends, you just have to leave them. When they make them own mistake. Because some friends, you really... they have no understanding and they have no sense, to be honest. So you see, when you tell them something, they go and they tell the man, say, you tell them. So now the man turn around, hate you, and then them follow the man and turn around, hate you. But guess what? It's better that way, because then you know they wasn't your friend to begin with. Yeah, dear. Hello? Yeah, guys. Sometimes they're intimidated by the man. No, it's not intimidation, you know. Sometimes you just fool to man. Sometimes you just fool to man. You know them way there? Sometimes you're just fucking stupid. Because there's no way a friend can tell you something to help you and say to you, say, don't say you hear it from me. And then you go to that man and say, Brittany, tell me. Then me and your friend. You put the man over me. But let me tell you this, a lot of friendships last longer than relationships. And that's what a lot of girls don't understand. Not your friend. No. Repeat again. What they say about tattoo? I didn't get that. What they said about tattoo? What they say about tattoo? Oh, why so many tattoos? Because I'm well spoken. I mean, that is really that's really a stupid question, to be honest. Because tattoos doesn't define the type of person I am. In fact, I'm going to put a tattoo on this hand real soon. I'm going to do this hand over here. And I started tattoos in my younger days. I mean, it does. But you see, my tattoos are with. You see, if I have on a shirt that covers here, you don't see my tattoos. My tattoos are all where they can hide. I have on a lot of tattoos, but you can't see them if I am properly clothed. But I wouldn't say tattoos are ghetto. I would think more of having a man that doesn't want you, that's ghetto. Tearing down a man's phone while he keeps hanging up the call, that's ghetto. But I wish you guys would learn what ghetto really means sometimes. Getting pregnant for somebody that doesn't want you is so ghetto. Unseemly ghetto. But that's the thing with us females. We don't pick the beam out of our eye. You see, I don't know, but you see, me personally, I pick the beam out of my eye before I transcend to others. So I don't find fault with others because I know I have fault myself. And that's how I stride through life. So having tattoos is not, you know, it doesn't stop anything because I am a businesswoman. I'm not employed at a law firm, you know? And even they have tattoos. Because you see, one thing with the United States of America, they are not prejudiced. You could be full of tattoos from head to toe, they don't care. Your hair could be long as a male, they don't care. It's called not being prejudiced. So you don't judge someone based on how they look, because that person may surprise you. I've went to an immigration officer one time. He had a lot of tattoos. It's just life. Yeah. But yeah. Anyways. I don't really think I'm that well spoken now, because I chat patois so many times. Sometimes I really chat bad, you know. Sometimes the Westmoreland come out in me and I talk so bad. Sometimes I have different personalities. Of course, Miss Audacity, it can. But What was the next thing we was talking about again? Because I feel like I come on here every day talking and I'm not getting serious. What else were we talking about so we can wrap it up? What's a miscritic? How I get the name? Triple. My two daughters name starts with B and mine starts with B, so I said triple B's. We move. Yeah, I'm at home. I'm at my home. And the man not stop calling me if I go up. And but show me have some things. I have some things that I have to do here. As I wasn't here in a very long time. I have a big cleaning to put on and I have a lot of things to do. Which one this? So what else we talking about? Where was I before the tattoo thing? That better than me, you know? They're supposed to on the way going down today because they was in the States for the weekend. They travel more than me. Tweety, go on now. Breathe to the bottom. Me not pass that. Me tell if you come and you come preach to and tell us have to stop your breathing. It come like every time me scroll through my For You page, me see somebody pregnant. And it burn me. It burn me. Sometimes people probably feel that me not like picture, me not like baby father, but me tired that seat, man. Ray, you always so calm and collected. Yeah, because I've always been soft-hearted, so I was never. I was always the same way. Birth rate has dropped. Who said that? Because I'm not seeing it. I think you need to check it again, side man. I think he needs to, them need to add it up again. Because the amount of people, you might have to add it up again. They said it on the news. They might have to check it again. It come like it's so full back then fun size because the amount of baby mother they on my For You page. Me pussycat. No, I'm not next, you know. I'm not next. Because while I probably can afford a next child, mentally I can't. I can't. Emotionally I can't. And probably even financially I can't because what I have provided for the two, I don't think I can provide for a third. You're already bad enough. I have to split everything and buy the two of the same everything. I can't. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it. Hey, Mrs. Angus, thank you. That's true, Chosen. One thing your water is like, yeah, I always drink. Yeah, wait till I reach 37 for breed. I always have my water. So,
Even in the lobster, I look on her like, yes, man, I fuck her up. Cause every time when I go out, everything I want to order seafood. Babe, look at the lobster. Nothing much is